want to go country, want to country from. Maybe yoga. What are you interested? What do you want to do? Here, then our early tomorrow, I pick you up at 7:30. I be there on time to the evening or from. I'll be ready in the car. I keep serving around. If I can tell me anything before, I will take you for a room that you definitely will be very judged and don't be your living and just your business. I look forward to see you again. Come back anytime you are always welcome. You have a welcome invitation and a pleasure. This is my side. Take care of your home. Thank you for listening. 好，下一位参赛者是 Julie。Julie 她为我们带来的内容也是接待。
I'm going to perform the sentence of being a polite guest. Hey, it's me. How the heck are you? It's been a while. I'm coming to your area. I'll be your neck of the wall. I'm anxious to see you. Can I come over? Are you up for dessert? You can take up something. My, your home is closer. It looks so inviting. It feels warm and friendly. It's very charming. I love to see more. Can I have a tour? It's a nice neighborhood. It's pink, floor and white. How did you find this place? I like the decoration. It's very stylish. It has a comfortable feel. The lighting is just right. All the colors flow well. It creates the relaxed atmosphere. You have a good eye. You have a good chance. I should hire you to cook my house. Your furniture is lovely. Every piece is attractive. It really makes the room. That's a fabulous table. Those chairs look fantastic. What type of wood is that? It's mostly pure black. I like the material. The fabric is so soft and smooth. Your kitchen is modern. You have no jobs and cabinets. It's much nicer than mine. Your bedroom are cozy. Your closets are roomy. The carpet is pink and good. The living room is my favorite. It's the highlight of the house. Thank you for showing me around. Looking to work, give me something to do. If you don't let me out, I'll feel guilty. Let's eat at the table. Where are our friends? Where do you keep yourself away? When I make the meal, I'll fill the table. I'll do the dishes. It smells marvelous. The aroma is incredible. It looks so good to eat. Everybody is delightful. I've never had better. It really takes the best. My hat off to you. I have been much to a chef. What's the recipe? Color cute baby. Color little angel. What an adorable child. How old is your baby? How many months? It is for your girl. Hi there, sweetie. How about smile? Can I hold him? You have a great kid. He looks like you. You look intelligent and bright. You are very polite. Excellent makeup for today. You dress in well. I love the animal. Your style turns out well. You must be a a good parent. What a great leader. How the perfect companion. Is it a he or what's his name? What grade is he? Can he do any great? I'm sure there are not your friend. I won't hurt you. Look at you. You have it all. You've got everything. You have a very form. You have an excellent job. You are really moving up. I admire you. I envy you. I wish I were you. You are a wonderful host. Thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for having me over. Now you own your business. Next time it's my turn. I want to be at your kindness. Pink, New York. I had to go. I'll be seeing you. Thank you for your listening.